friends, well, it happened. As I said before, this thing went right through New Jersey and out into the Atlantic Ocean. So now we officially have this balloon that took off from Clinton, Illinois, made its way underneath the Great Lakes, crossed over New Jersey, and it is now over the Atlantic Ocean. This is some wild stuff, my friends. Take a listen to this. All right, my friends, welcome back. I'm sure you remember this video from back in February of 2023, February 4th to be exact, the Chinese spy balloon that was suspected of spying on the United States. It was then shot down, and then China claimed that it was a civilian weather balloon that accidentally drifted off course. Keep in mind, we watched this balloon for days and days before we even shot it down. So something really weird went on there. So the government or someone thought it was a good idea to put up a balloon at 64,000 feet, fly it from Clinton, Illinois, all the way to, you guessed it, the southern tip of New Jersey. What is going on here, my friends? What is this balloon doing, and why is it flying over severe weather? Don't worry, my first thought too was a Chinese spy balloon, but this balloon comes from the United States and it says it's not even military, which to me is super weird. 64,600 feet above the surface of the earth, this balloon, as you could see, originated a few days back here. We could see the exact point of where this entire thing began, just east of Lake Michigan near the town of Clinton. Now, what is this all about? We've seen these balloons before, but what is this one doing? Why is it heading towards the all-famous area of New Jersey during a time where everybody that knows how to is watching these charts, filming the sky, and reporting these things that they're seeing? The only information we have on this balloon right now, besides the altitude, which as I said is over 64,000 feet. You couldn't even see this thing up in the sky if it was over your head. We have a registration number. We know it's from the United States. But here's something interesting. It's not coming up as military. If you see here, there are options on this site. This is a different site than Flight Radar 24. You can see we have it here on Flight Radar as well. The thing is, on Flight Radar 24, you can't separate military from commercial. So this site here, the ADSB exchange website, this also shows you Flight Radar, including the military, as I just said. Click on this here and you can see all flights, or you can change it to just military. So as you can see right now in the United States, this is what we have as far as military aircraft with their transponders on. A very busy day. But again, I can't help but notice this balloon and the fact that it's heading exactly towards where we're seeing all this nonsense. It's about to make its way right towards Newark, New Jersey here. We'll see where the heading goes based on this trajectory here, but you do not see these all the time on this site. And if you do, they're certainly not at around 64,000 feet. The fact that it's still this high at this point in its trip, it's leading me to believe that it wants to head towards South Jersey, maybe near Atlantic City. We're going to check by the end of this video where it might be. You know, it's hard to not focus on these things, specifically with everything that's going on in New Jersey and the fact that the government's saying one thing, officials are saying another thing, and regardless of that, everyone's going to be looking around for this stuff now, whether it's a balloon or it's just something outside of the norm. Not only that, but take a look at what this thing had to fly through all day today and yesterday. I'm bringing this to current time now, so this 64,000 feet means that this thing is sitting over top of this entire weather system, which means this is not someone in the public that just brought their balloon out for a day ride. There's something else with this balloon going on, some sort of surveillance, and the fact that it's showing up on radar, as you can see it move right there, it is not being hidden from us. So that's important to know. This may be absolutely nothing, but I just find it weird that they're doing this in New Jersey, or at least close enough to New Jersey to where people are going to see a high-rise balloon on these websites. All right, my friends, well, it happened. As I said before, this thing went right through New Jersey and out into the Atlantic Ocean. So now we officially have this balloon that took off from Clinton, Illinois, made its way underneath the Great Lakes, crossed over New Jersey, and it is now over the Atlantic Ocean. This is some wild stuff, my friends. All right, I appreciate you all. I'll have more updates coming out as we get more info, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye. Stop right there, my friends. If you have not already, click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Click all and you will get all notifications from this channel. And trust me, you won't be disappointed.